Hello there, I am Tegustu Zaryun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. I have said you before in my previous video. I will prepare a video for how to use a flowgorithm that helps us to change a flowchart into code. The series annual, we have to know how this shape is starting. A rectangle represents action or process for the case of formula. In case of decision or in case of preparing a branch statement, we have to use a decision diamond shape. In case of input and output, have to use a parallelogram, connector circle, and a flow line. By default, there is an arrow and there is subroutine. These are the basic shapes that we use under flowchart program. Just I will here move to the actual using of this software Flowgorithm. By default, you have a start end, which is represented by oval. I want to prepare a flowchart that helps us to add two numbers. First, we have to declare, double click on declare. A is a specific some number. A is a variable. The second B declare as given, it is the integer. B, data type is B. And we have to find a sum. SUM. Integer plus integer, it gives us an integer. Then as an output that displays on the screen, enter the first number. Close the double quotation as you have seen. Then double click on arrow, inputs. From the keyboard A, which is declared A. The second is B, therefore double click on arrow, enter the second number. Double click on output text, double quotation, enter the second number. Twat. Just close the double quotation. Then it should accept from the keyboard. Input parallelogram, double click on input, then B, the second number. What's next? Double click on arrow, assign. The formula is represented by a rectangle, sum A plus B. What the final? Producing an output for the sum of two number output. Then double click on output. The sum of the two numbers is end space end symbol sum. Sum of the two numbers is then end sum. We have to use this symbol end sum. Finished. This is a flowchart for that helps us to find out the sum of two numbers. Play here, run. It asks you here to enter the first number. 12. Here enter or click here symbol. The second number, enter the second number. In sum 45. What's the sum? Which is the sum of the two numbers is 57. 57. The sum of the two numbers is 57. Just it's possible to change this. Just you can to test again. You can click on run here. Enter the first number. Multiple digits. May want pen with paper to calculate such numbers. Here you can add like this. The sum of the two numbers. Just close. You can change. If you have a chance to prepare a flowchart, you have almost prepared code. Because we say this, we have under Flowgorithm, we have here source code viewer. Under source code viewer, we can view the code here, as you have seen, in Python, the program code in Python the flowchart is changed into Python. Print, enter the first number A, which is integer type, input from the keyboard. Then enter the second number. It asks you to input the second number from the keyboard, which is the data type integer. It accepts from the keyboard input. Then sum, which is equal to A plus B. Then print the sum of the two numbers plus string sum. If you try on under Python program, you have already developed. You can change into other programs. Here, above 80 programs are found here. You can change into Java. You can change into Excel Visual Basic, or you can change into JavaScript, or you can change to C++. Just you have a code here. Therefore, if you have a knowledge of or a skill of preparing a flowchart, means there is almost you have developed a program. Just you have to develop your skill of preparing a flowchart using Flowgorithm software. Next video I will prepare for a chart for a flowchart for to prepare two conditional problems or branching statements. For today, thank you.